Every district leader I talk to describes the same situation. Strong curriculum, clear pacing guides, assessments in place, instructional resources carefully selected over years of thoughtful decisions. Everything is already there, and yet, teachers still spend time each week connecting all of it before instruction can begin. I want to show you what one school in the Bronx did about it, and what happened when everything finally lived in one place. Icahn Charter School in the Bronx serves K-8 students, 2 classes per grade. They had strong curriculum, core knowledge materials, district-provided tools, network mandates, experienced teachers who knew their students and cared about the work. They had everything a well-run school needs, but all of it lived in different places. And Cassie, a staff developer who spent years as a 4th and 6th grade teacher at this school, described the experience of putting it together every week like this.
You get handed a stack of curriculum, tools, and network mandates. And then it's like, go teach everything.
When Cassie first heard about ClassHero, she was skeptical. She had seen tools come and go. She had watched promises that didn't deliver. When she saw the email, she almost didn't respond, but she gave it a chance. And this is what she said after she saw the platform.
But then we saw the platform and realized it does exactly what it says.
Here is what she saw. This is what every teacher at Icahn opens on Monday morning. One view, the curriculum for the week, the pacing guide, the right resource already connected to the right lesson. Every day mapped, every resource pointed to the right moment in the sequence. Teachers walk into class knowing exactly what to teach and exactly where to find everything they need. And for school leaders, full visibility into how curriculum is being used across every grade, every week, without adding a single meeting, without interrupting a single teacher. ClassHero didn't replace anything Icahn already had. It organized it. Everything they already invested in, connected, mapped, and accessible in one place. By the end of the first year, every single teacher at Icahn was using ClassHero daily, 100%, including the veteran teachers, the ones who had seen tools come and go for 20 years. Every teacher shifted 1 to 2 hours per day, from coordinating between systems to preparing for instruction, to thinking about students, to strengthening what happens in the classroom. Student engagement went up across every grade level, kindergarten through 8th grade. Every classroom, more consistent, more connected to the sequence, and not one curriculum was replaced. Not one program was added. Everything that changed came from organizing what was already there. Icahn didn't add anything new. They didn't replace anything. They just brought what they already had into one place and everything changed. Your district already has what it needs. ClassHero brings it all together. I'd love to show you what that looks like for yours.